Hi, this is Sasha Brusin with a quick tip on string bending. So if you're learning how to solo, bending a string to raise the pitch is a very common thing, and it's actually very cool. But keep in mind that you want to use more than just one finger to push the string, especially if you're playing on an acoustic guitar or a guitar that has electric that has, thicker strings. So if I'm bending with my pinky, I'm going to use all my other fingers to help out. If I'm bending with my middle finger, I'm going to use my index finger to help out as well. And then if I'm bending with my ring finger, I'm going to use the middle finger and index finger together. Just kind of group them together. And you would lead with the ring finger, of course, here. So give that a shot. See how that works for you, and have fun.